going to, guess where?
Lobster.
Boil. Finally.
I'm so hungry with my new.
What's that? What's that po?
Kasi nasa bakit yung feet ko?
So, kailangan bumili ng bagong shoes pag sumayat yung feet?
Hindi, makailan.
Okay, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Tara na sa lobster boil. Gutom na kami. Let's go! Doon daw yun. Turo-turo. Cross-cross. Tatawid. Ingat. Uy, dito na pala kami. Lobster boil. Let's go! Alright, so dito sa lobster boil is malapit siya sa dati namin tinitirahan. And dito nagvi-video lang ako kasi sinasabi ko magandang CR pag may Dyson. So yun, may Dyson. Yan, tingnan natin dito. Di ko na pala na video yung papasok kami kasi dumiretso akong CR, naihina ako. And yan na yung papel namin. Tan-tananan. Lalagay niya na yung papel sa table para masarap. Yung mga pinamili namin kung ano-ano. And now, menu. Pero alam na namin yung kakainin namin dyan, guys. Pero, syempre, check pa rin natin. Baka may masarap, additional. So, dito pala sa lobster boil is request ni Yvonne na dito kami kumain. So, sister ni Marvy. Sabi niya, masarap daw dito. Nakita niya yung review sa TikTok. So, yun. Tsura pa lang, oh. May bib pa na lobster. Mukhang panalo talaga. May gloves, syempre dapat kamay, hindi yung may spoon and fork. Mahirapan ka mag-spoon and fork dyan. Diba? Oh. Ano ba yan? Kung ano na ginagawa ko dyan. So, babayaan nyo na. Crazy. Okay, ready na ba? So, ayan. Tingnan na natin ang aming order. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nakakatakam sa point na to. Gutom na ako. Gusto ko na isubo lahat, pati plato. Pero yun, relax lang tayo. Tingnan natin yung place. Ganda, oh. Walang tao pa. Pero, yung kiss muna. Ay, kain na tayo guys. Let's go. Gutom na ako.
Remove it from its shell. Hey, remove from the shell, ha? Kaya kakainin mo yung shell.
Calamari muna. Dito calamari sauce din. Masarap itong white nata. Okay, so voice over muna ulit tayo. Siyempre, di na namin naisip mag-rate ng food kasi hungry na kami neto and kain na kami ng kain, din namin naisip mag-rate. So, overall rating namin sa food is 9.5 over 10. Sobrang sulit. Sobrang sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Mild, spicy ang pinili namin sa sauce. And may rice, may potato, may corn. Kompleto lahat. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sulit. Yes. Thank you. Nubos to.
Ha?
Ilang minutes na rin nubos?
In a span of 5 minutes.
5?
Maybe 10.
10?
Almost done.
Order pa tayo?
Really?
Joke.
So full na.
Joke lang.
Okay lang pa kayo? Yeah,
Opo,
thank you.
thank you po.
We have mango juice as well. And this loves it very much. Obviously. Reckon combining sweet in and a while ago he said it's panalo. So as you can see, he really loves it. How's the lobster? It's her first time eating it, right? How was it?
Shrimp lang.
Oh yeah, that's what Papa said.
Excuse me, pablow lang ng nose. Hehe.
So we're just gonna finish this and rest and we'll go soon.
Bagay sa mga juice. I didn't know how to end this video, so I just thought I'd add this video here as a outfit check, as well as a good way to end the video too. So yeah, bye guys.